It's Layla's turn?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Hi, Layla.
Mama.
Did you say hi to Layla?
Toss.
Where are her toes? Where are Layla's toes? Show me where Layla's toes are. How many toes does she have? How many toes does Layla have? 2 toes?